Hello friends, this is a small video on awards and honors, a very important topic in the current affairs section of any competitive examinations. Kindly follow. The first award I have taken up is the Bharat Ratna Award, which is the highest civilian award in India, constituted in the year 1954, and the first recipient of Bharat Ratna is C. Rajagopalachari. In 2019, it was given to three people: Pranab Mukherjee, Bhupendra Hazarika, Nanaji Deshmukh. So the next award is Padma Vibhushan. It is the second highest civilian award in India, constituted in the year 1954. And in 2019, the following people got the Padma Vibhushan award: Sushma Swaraj, Arun Jaitley, George Fernandes, Channulal Mishra, Mary Kom, Anirudh, and Vishweshwara Tirtha Swamiji. The other important Padma awards are Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri, both constituted in the year 1954. So the next important category of award is the Gallantry Awards, which are Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, and Veer Chakra. These three awards were constituted in the year 1950, and the highest gallantry award in India is Paramveer Chakra. In the year 1952, the other three awards were added, like Ashoka Chakra Class 1, Ashoka Chakra Class 2, and Ashoka Chakra Class 3. But in the year 1967, they were renamed as Ashoka Chakra, Kirti Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra. So, the latest Paramveer Chakra award winners are Bana Singh, Yogendra Yadav, and Sanjay. So the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award is the highest sports person award in India, constituted in the year 1991, and its first recipient is Vishwanathan Anand. In 2020, it was given to Rohit Sharma, Vinesh Phogat, Thangavelu, Manika Batra. Next award is Arjuna Award, constituted in the year 1961. Before the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, the Arjuna Award was the highest sports person's award. Now it is the second highest sports person award after Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. So the Dhyan Chand Award, constituted in the year 2002, is a lifetime achievement award for the sports person. The Dronacharya Award, given for the coaches, constituted in the year 1985. The highest award for literature in India is the Gnanapith Awards, constituted in the year 1961. The first recipient was Kurup of the Malayalam language. Then in 2020, the 55th Gnanapith Award was awarded to Sri Nambutari in the Malayalam language. So far, Hindi language has won the highest number of Gnanapith Awards with 11 awards, and Kannada is in second position, winning 9 awards. The next important award is the Dada Saheb Phalke Award, constituted in the year 1969. First recipient of this award is Devika Rani, and in 2019 it was awarded to Amitabh Bachchan. The Sahitya Academy Award of 1954 is given in major 24 languages of India, while the Gandhi Peace Prize, constituted in the year 1995, first recipient is Nehri, and in 2020 Sanjay Singh got this award. Indira Gandhi Prize, or the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize, given for the book, was constituted in the year 1986. The first recipient was Michael Gorbachev. In 2020, David Attenborough won this award. The next important award is the prestigious Nobel Prize, constituted in the year 1901, given in 6 categories. So it is very important to know the 2019 recipients of the Nobel Prize. In the category of physics, Pebbles, Mayer, and Queloz got the award. Chemistry, Goodenough, Whittingham, and Akira got the award. In the field of medicine, Kaelin, Radcliffe, and Semenze got the award. In the field of literature, Handke got the award. Field of economics, Abhijit, Duflo, and Kramer got the award. And in the category of peace, Abhay Ahmad Ali has got the award. So as you have seen, I have used some short names of the above prize winners. I have not the full names. So with due respect, I will continue the video. So the next category of the awards is Booker Prize. So 2020 Booker Prize winner is Douglas Stewart for his book Shaggy Bane, and the International Booker Prize, given for the translation to English language 2020, was won by Regin Weld for his book Discomfort of Evening. So the next important award is Oscar Award, also called as Academy Awards. So some of the important awards in this categories of Oscar awards are Best movie is the Parasite. Best director is John Ho. Best actor is Phoenix, and best actress is Rennie. They are important from exam point of view. Similar to Oscars, we have the United Kingdom constituted BAFTA awards, where the best movie is 1917 and best director is Mendes, while the best actor and actress remain the same. That is, Phoenix is the best actor BAFTA award, and Rennie got the best actress BAFTA awards. Then the Pulitzer Prize given for journalism journalists given in 15 categories. In the category of photojournalists, three Indians got this award: Yasin, Mukhtar, and Anand. Then the Asia Nobel, popularly, which is the Raman Magsaysay Award, constituted in the year 1985. First Indian to get this award was Vinoba Bhave. In 2019, Ravish Kumar got this award. Then the other award is the Nikki Asia Award. Its 25th edition was given in 2020 in various categories for bringing change in Asia. In the science and technology category, Pradeep got the award for nanotechnology. Then the next Penn Hemingway Award got by Ruchika Tomar for her book A Prayer for Travelers. Then the Dan David Prize 2020 won by Geeta Sen. Then the DSC Prize for South Asia Literature is won by Amitabh Bagachi for his book Half Night is Gone. Then the Mark Young Scientist Award won by Shakya Singh Sen, and the EY's Entrepreneur of the Year won by Kiran Mazumdar Shah. The ESPN Sports Person of the Year got by PV Sindhu and Saurabh Chowdhury. Then BCCI annual awards given in various categories, where the award Paulie Umrigar Award is won by Jasprit Bumrah. Next is World Tennis Association Award Sports Person of the Year won by Barty, and the FICCI Sports Person of the Year won by Rani Rampal and Saurabh Chowdhury. Then two other important categories of Filmfare Awards in India is the National Film Awards, whose 66th edition was given in 2019. I'll just read out few important categories of the award. Best feature film Helaro, best non-feature film Sunrise and Secret Life of Frogs, and best book Mauna Prarthana Pole. And the Dada Saheb Phalke Award got by Amitabh Bachchan. Most awards won by the movies Nati Charni, and the best actor is Vicky Kaushal and Ayushmann Khurrana. The best actress is Kirti Suresh, and best director got by Aditya Dar for Uri, and the best movie on environment is Pani. Similarly, the 64th Filmfare Awards given in 2019, where I'll read out some of the important categories. Best movie Razi, and best critic hero is Ayushman, best hero is Ranbir Singh, best actress is Alia Bhatt, and best director is Megha Gulzar. So the next important awards is the BC Roy Award, constituted in the year 1976. It is the highest medicinal award given in the medical category field, and the first recipient of this award was Sandeep Mukherjee, and the 2019 winner for BC Roy Award is NK Pandey. So the next and the last award is the Things in Norway Adventure Award, and it is won by Gajendra Yadav, is the latest recipient of this award. So these were few of the important awards and honors important for the competitive examinations. Thank you. Keep preparing.